Hey, we have a 1960 Etzel Ranger. I've never seen anything quite like this beauty at all. Not even when I was collecting cars. In the little version, that is. Oh, yeah. You can't quite see it. Let me see if I can't lean. Yeah, maybe you can zoom in on the plaque. It says Gas Hole Car Club. Well, I guess that is kind of the trope. None of these cars are going to be a energy efficient, let alone a gas efficient car. That's for sure. But I'll tell you, they're a beauty, and man, will they drive. This one's such a special one. As you can see, it's completely on its very own paddock. And I can very well see why. Very well. I used to watch my mom do things like that, and that takes a lot of steadiness, let alone just the simple fact of what this car is. So, please, enjoy. Always be respectful, whether or not there's barriers up or not. And always have a wonderful day. This is Willis signing off.